Help Center Tutorials. How to perform an inventory from your mobile POS device. To perform an inventory from the mobile device you have chosen as a cash register, simply proceed as follows. Log into your POS workspace from your iPad or iPhone. Go to Menu by pressing the three dashes on the upper left side of your screen. Then in the Supply section, click on Inventory. Click on the plus Add button located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen and then on Inventory to proceed to the registration of a new inventory. This way all the products in your catalog will be displayed. Proceed to the data input of the quantities of products you have in store by using the numeric keyboard located in the upper right part of your screen that you can open by pressing the keyboard icon. For example, to record 10 t-shirts, press 10 on the numeric keypad on the right. Then select the product, t-shirt, from your catalog on the left. Complete your inventory operation by entering the quantities of the rest of your products, then press Validate before pressing Yes to confirm the entered information. You will be asked to indicate the last day included in the inventory you have made, and also to choose between a targeted or overall inventory. Note that a targeted inventory will correspond to a partial inventory. This means that only the products you have selected and whose quantities you have entered will be updated. The quantities of the remaining products will remain unchanged and will take into account the last recorded inventory and/or their disposal. An overall inventory, on the other hand, will correspond to the inventory of your entire catalog, which means that the products for which you have not entered the quantities will be considered as out of stock. The inventory you have performed will then be saved. You will be able to consult it until the end of the current day by returning to Inventory from your iPad. Once the operation has been completed, the administrator will be able to consult the recorded data from the MyPrecision web interface, or from the MyPrecision mobile application in the Inventory rubric. To learn more about this, read our article, How to Consult an Inventory Made on POS from the Administrator interface.